Yo, what's up guys? Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone, watching video after video, double tapping those fire picks, and bam, your money just vanishes. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that social media is designed to keep you broke? Every like, every scroll, and every ad is a trap. You think you're just browsing. But in reality, your money is slipping away without you even realizing it. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how social media is making you poor, and more importantly, how you can break free before it's too late. Let's go. First, we gotta understand the psychology behind this. Social media isn't just about connecting with friends or watching funny cat videos. It's a carefully designed system with one goal: to make you spend money. One of the biggest ways they do this is through FOMO, fear of missing out. You see these influencers living luxurious lives, right? They're always on insane vacations, wearing designer clothes, driving supercars, and it makes you feel like you're missing out. You start thinking, man, I need that to be cool, or everyone else has it, why not me? That's FOMO kicking in. Then there's the dopamine effect. Every time you see something new and exciting on social media, a cool gadget, a trendy outfit, a course that promises to make you a millionaire, your brain gets a hit of dopamine. Social media platforms are designed to keep you hooked on that dopamine rush. They use algorithms that show you exactly what you want to see, when you want to see it. So you keep scrolling, keep liking, and keep spending without even realizing you're being played. This isn't about being anti-fun or anti-social media, it's about understanding the game so you can win it. Let's talk about influencers. Some influencers are awesome, genuine people, but many are basically just salespeople in disguise. They're always recommending products, but here's the catch. They're getting paid to do it. Think about it. How many times have you seen an influencer promoting some miracles product or life-changing course? They make it sound amazing, right? But the truth is, most of them don't even use the stuff they're selling. They're just cashing in on their followers' trust. Some influencers create this whole illusion of a luxury lifestyle. They're renting fancy cars, staging photo shoots in expensive hotels, even wearing fake designer clothes, all to make you think they're rolling in dough. But here's the reality. A lot of these influencers are living paycheck to paycheck, just like you and me. And the worst part is, people fall for it. Just because someone looks successful on social media doesn't mean they actually are. Okay, let's talk about ads. You know, those annoying things that pop up everywhere, interrupting your favorite videos and scrolling sessions. Yeah, those. But here's the thing about social media ads. They're not random, they're specifically targeted at you. Ever noticed how you search for something online and then, suddenly, you start seeing ads for that exact thing everywhere you go on social media? That's because these platforms are tracking your every move. They know what you're interested in, what you're thinking about buying, and they use that information to bombard you with ads that are designed to make you spend. Companies don't just sell products anymore, they sell desires, aspirations, and lifestyles. And guess what? Social media is their #1 tool for doing it. If you've ever made an impulse purchase because an ad just happened to show up at the perfect moment, you're already caught in the system. Alright, enough with the doom and gloom. Let's talk about how to fight back and take control of your money. Here's the good news. Breaking free from the social media spending trap is totally possible. It just takes a little bit of awareness and some simple strategies. First things first. Unfollow any influencers who make you feel bad about yourself or pressure you to buy things you don't need. Seriously, hit that unfollow button without mercy. Your mental health and your wallet will thank you. Next up, let's tackle those pesky targeted ads. Go into your social media settings and disable ad tracking. It might take a little digging, but trust me, it's worth it. You can also install ad blocking software on your browser to reduce the number of ads you see online. Now, this next tip is crucial. The 24-hour rule. Before buying anything online, especially if you saw it on social media, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, that initial urge to buy will fade away, and you'll realize you didn't really need it in the first place. Last but not least, track your spending. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. The important thing is to be aware of where your money is going. You'll be shocked at how much you're spending on small purchases that add up over time. Now it's your turn. Let's expose these marketing tricks. Tell me in the comments below, what's the worst thing you've ever bought because of social media? Was it a useless gadget, an overpriced course, a trendy outfit you never wore? Let's hear your stories and help each other break free from this social media spending madness. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this opened your eyes to the sneaky ways social media can drain your bank account. But remember, knowledge is power. Now that you know the game, you can play it smarter and come out on top. So go out there, take control of your finances, and don't let social media turn you into a mindless consumer. You work too hard for your money to let it disappear like that. And hey, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Until next time, peace out.